Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the Happy with Maltese action in Heartopia. So if you go to the planet section here, there is the Happy with Maltese. It says Retriever and Maltese are absolute best partners. Yeah, just like you and your friend. It says during the event, perform a face-to-face two-person interaction with your friend. Accumulate 7 days to receive the limited exclusive two-person action, the Happy Dance, with that friend. So you can only share the action with that specific friend you did the face-to-face two-person interaction with. You need to do it for 7 days, and you'll basically get the two-person action. You'll also be notified once you have gotten it. It's going to count how many days you're on. And then later when you're on day 7, you'll get this super cute action, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!